Good morning. My name is Omar Farouk and I'm from Year 6. Come spend a day with us as we go for our trip to the Cheesecake Factory on Limuru Road. Let's go. The moment we've finally been waiting for is here. Let's go and take a beautiful tour of the Brown's Cheese Factory. Alright guys, let's go! Okay, we are waiting to hear from our tour guide, and then we're going to be making cheese from scratch. And by the look of things, everything here is so beautiful. The tables, the scenery, it's just so beautiful. We've just gotten a lot of important information about the 5 steps of making cheese. And on top of that, we've just gotten our coats and our hairnets. And we're about to enter the factory. And I'm so excited for this. So we are geared up and we are ready and very excited to enter this beautiful factory of where cheese is made. So we've just come back from the ice cream area and we've just learned how to make ice cream. And maybe later we might get to taste it. We have just come to the place where the cheese is stored and it is a little chilly, and hopefully we'll learn how old all of this cheese is. We've just been to the cheese cave where all of the largest and oldest cheese is stored, as well as the smallest. We also learned that the bigger wheels are always Parmesan, and that there's cheese over 2 years in there. Okay, we're here and everyone's hungry and tired, but they're also excited because we're making pizza. The dough is already ready and we're just about to make it. And so, we concluded our trip by eating delicious pizza and just talking and having fun. And I'd like to give a thank you to all of the teachers and everyone here at the Cheese Factory. And I would just like to thank them for helping us learn so much about cheese.